back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree Period, and I'm back with another video, you guys.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment.
As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this highlighted type of wig from MegaLook Hair. So thank you so much to MegaLook Hair for sponsoring today's video. It's really appreciated. I really loved working with this hair, you guys. It's super soft. I used minimal product in this wig and it came out super good. I leave all the links and stuff like that to this wig, so if y'all want to go cop it, make sure to do that. Make sure to follow me on my social medias as well. And yeah, let's get right into today's video.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and you turn it look good. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for no Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. Not tell me no, baby, come give me a lo. Tell me like whoa. Shawty, come give me a lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now you might find situation to use this girl I'm mellow. Finally I can't wait to talk to the girl, but she ain't no follow. Who you gonna phone for one? Oh, you know I phone for one. Then I start to feel like number one. She dey give me small one. I know, so she start to sit down one. But she feeling me insecure, cause her friends when they come my light ring go on. Yeah, I know I'm trying for you, I get down low. My hips make you cry when I'm moving around you. Do it once, do it twice. Hit the spot, you hold me tight. Did a taste for a night. Baby, show me you can calm down. Dance with me and take the lead now. Got you so high that you can't come down. Don't you ask me now, you're allowed. And if you are passing me, baby, in me, got me like, baby, don't give me I saw this mouse, I say, make a rest more. As me I wake up, she did my mind go
Yeah, babe, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But there you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Crying out from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Y'all, so this is gonna be the end of my video, you guys. I really hope you guys love this wig and how it turned out. As y'all can see, like, I didn't have this hairstyle when I finished my hair. I had like 2 pigtails, like that's what I was going for, but something was just like drawing me to like a swoop. So like, yeah, that's how I did swoop. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.